Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn how to ask questions using can you. Can you eat apples in the fall? Can you smell apples in the fall? Can you see apples in the fall? Can you pick apples in the fall? Can you see tiny apples hanging on the tree? Can you bake apple pie in the fall? Can you eat apples with your family in the fall? In today's lesson, we learned how to ask questions using can you. Thank you for watching this video with me. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.